Alright guys, we got the front of a fridge here. Today, we're going to be replacing our automatic ice maker. This one gave up the go, so we're going to replace it. Before we disassemble everything, here is our new unit. It's going to just get going like that. I know there's two screws, there's one here, and I believe there's one back here. So let's get this thing disassembled and get the new ice maker put in so we can have some good ice. Everything just slides apart. Let's get in here and see what we got. I know we got the screw in here, I know we got one here. It looks like we do have one in the back, so we'll just go up underneath everything to get those out. So I'm guessing that this one screw right here is going to be the only one we have to fully take out, just from the way these guys are designed. So let's see what she does. And that is correct. Here's the other one I took out, thinking I had to. Put you down. Alright, so I just had to push one on the connector to pop that out. So we got our new unit. It's just going to simply slide back into place. We're going to connect the power on it here. Make sure it's clicked to off so it doesn't try to start on you. You got your water chute right here. It's going to go in this hole right there. There we go. That's the hardest part, guys. Hooking up the power. Got everything flush. We slid in those other two guys and put our one screw back into place. New ice maker's in. Just reput everything back. Got our collector. And before we put our top piece on, let's turn it on. Gonna put the top cover in the right way. There you go. One screw to replace the ice maker, and this was a Kenmore fridge. I believe LG makes it, but not 100%. If you like what you saw, give us that big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more.